With the rise of social media platforms and new trends that are constantly surfacing, the world witnessed some of the world's most intriguing or bizarre videos. One such video was posted on Friday by @CaptainHindustan on Twitter, showcasing an Indian family of 7 on a motorcycle. The video is titled Family Trip and has gained over 33,000 views since its posting. While many Twitter users found the video funny and amusing, others were not so pleased. "It's not safe," wrote a Twitter user. "No wonder motorbikes are on the top of the graph for the loss of lives compared to motor vehicles, trains and planes," another one commented. Meanwhile, a third one criticized the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the family's apparent poverty.